Hi YouTube, I just like to show you my aquaponics system. Up there is my solar panel. It charges my battery, and then from the battery and regulator it runs this pump, runs the water up to my solar warmer. It's not completely done yet. From there it runs in here to the aquaponics system. Gets pumped in here all the way through, zigzag up to here to my bio filter. And just to prove that the solar water warmer does work, if I test the soil here, I'm going to test it that deep. It says 15 degrees. And if I test it here, it says 20 degrees. Complete 5 degrees warmer. If I test here at the end of the line, still 20 degrees. I'm still not convinced that the aquaponics is faster than soil, so I'm running a dual system at this moment. The water is 18 degrees there in the dam. This morning it was 14 degrees, and here on the outlet you can see again it's 20 degrees. Thank you, that's my idea. I've seen all the videos on YouTube, and that's the idea I came up with. Please let me know what you think. Okay, bye.